Hey, what's up guys? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. So we have a question from Bert here. Tony, I'm restoring a 1959 Chevy panel truck. This is what the truck looks like here on the right. I've seen a lot of videos on quarter panel, rocker panels, and wheel well repair, but I haven't seen any videos or books on how to rebuild the inner and outer panels shown in the red circle attached to the photo. So this is basically what he's showing here is the rocker panel. Okay, this section of the car down here is called the rocker panel. Okay, this section down in here. Okay, so, and then he's saying that he hasn't found anything rebuilding the inner. The only thing I can tell you, man, is you're going to have to custom fabricate if you can't find the pieces. So hopefully you have a spot welder. If you haven't seen one of the spot welders that I have, it's called the Lenco spot welder, where you could basically weld in your own panels of sheet metal. So this is the unit that I have here. You basically can align stainless steel or galvanized panels. I like to use stainless steel sheet metal because it won't rust, and you basically shape it, okay, to the panel, and then you weld it on, and then you cover it with filler and you shape it. As far as the inner, if they're rotted out really bad, if you can't buy a replacement quarter panel, not quarter panels, but rocker panels, then you're going to have to get sheet metal and weld them in and patch them up yourself. It's basically metal work and patching it. If you are a VIP member, then be sure to check out the 30, I think it was a 29 Ford or 30 Ford series in VIP, where my dad actually takes you step by step on how to sheet metal stuff like this. Because he was the master sheet metal guy. He did a lot of work like this. And it all comes down to basically, like I just said, cutting it out, finding the parts and re-welding them back in, or cutting it out and fabricating it with patches of sheet metal to just follow along little by little and weld it on top. Actually, we have these videos in VIP that show you how to use this machine and how to sheet metal. So hopefully this kind of points you in the right direction with this project, but definitely you need to see if you can look into buying the panels and then re-welding them in there. So that's pretty much it. It's Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. If you want to get a free 85-page auto body booklet, click the top right of this video if you're on YouTube, a little drop down will appear, or the link down below here. And in the description, there's going to be a transcription of this video and also links to learnautobodyandpaint.com where you can learn more, learn the best spray guns to use, bodywork techniques. We cover everything from A to Z. And if you're not a VIP member, check out Learn Auto Body VIP to learn more. And also like the video, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. Click the bell for post notifications and give a quick heart as well. And I'll see you in the next videos. It's Tony here. Hopefully this kind of guided you in the right direction. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Any questions and comments, concerns, type them down below. Let me know what you think. Cheers. Bye.